Welcome to Shriyars. Watch the video till end and know the benefits of exercise and subscribe to our channel. Exercise benefits. Exercise offers incredible benefits that can improve nearly every aspect of your health. Regular physical activity can increase the production of hormones that make you feel happier and help you sleep better. This is a regular, healthier posture. Best running posture is important for a healthier skeletal system. Best running posture helps in maintaining healthier muscular skeletal system. Benefits of running. Running strengthens your whole muscular skeletal system. It may improve your knee health. Running can improve heart health. Recent studies, according to the recent studies, over the long-term research suggests running does not increase the risk of arthritis, at least for people who run at a recreational level. In fact, a 2017 meta-analysis of 25 studies concluded that recreational runners were actually too likely to develop knee arthritis than sedentary people or professional elite runners were, and one small 2019 study published in BMJ Open Sport and Exercise Medicine of 82 marathon runners even found marathon running improved some aspects of knee health in middle-aged runners. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you.